In 1716, France was on the verge of bankruptcy. The treasury was empty. The people were poor. The state was buried in debt. And then one man stepped forward and said, "You don't need gold, just print money." The entire country believed him, and history witnessed the first great disaster of paper money. This is the story of John Law. Why was France so desperate? King Louis XIV had died. He left behind massive debts from years of war. Taxes were not enough. There was no gold. The economy had come to a standstill. At that exact moment, a Scottish financier arrived in Paris, John Law. According to him, the problem was not money, it was the monetary system. A revolutionary idea. John Law proposed the following to France. Use paper money instead of gold. Establish a bank. Convert state debt into shares. Stimulate the economy through credit. In 1716, Banque Generale was founded. Paper money was printed. At first it worked. Trade revived. People believed they were getting rich. The Mississippi Company madness. Then Law made his second move. The Mississippi Company. In America, in Louisiana, it promised gold, silver, and unlimited wealth. In reality, swamps, mosquitoes, and disease. But France didn't know that. Everyone wanted to buy shares. Lines formed in the streets. Shares increased 10 times, 20 times. Paris became a stock market city overnight. The bubble burst. Then someone asked a simple question. Can we exchange these papers for gold? People rushed to the bank, but the gold did not exist. Paper money rapidly lost its value. Panic began. Mississippi shares collapsed. The result? Escape and destruction. John Law went from being one of the most powerful men in the world to a fugitive overnight. France. Experienced inflation. The people became poorer. Lost trust in paper money for centuries. And the irony is this. The modern monetary system we use today is based on his ideas. Closing. The lesson. The problem was not paper money. The problem was uncontrolled money printing and human greed. History shows us this. Money changes, but human nature never does.